Hi guys, welcome to Module 2. This week's topic is going to be on probability. Okay, as usual, watch the video, look at your choice board, choose your assignment you would like to work on. Okay, take your pencil and paper out now. We're going to take some notes. Probability, of course, is the topic we're talking about. We're talking about events and probability. You have independent events, and I want you to write this down. When two events are independent to each other, it means that the probability that one event happens doesn't affect the probability of the other event happening. Underline that because it's very important. The example, say you're choosing a marble from a jar and you throw a coin in the air and it lands on heads. They're independent of each other. Neither one affects the other one. Okay? So go ahead and write that down. I'm going to go to the next sheet. If you need to rewind this to do that, go ahead. The second event, the dependent event. One event is affected by a second event. Okay, I got two examples here. One, driving a car and getting stuck in traffic. The second one, getting on the plane first, finding a good seat. So one depends on the other. They're dependent. Okay, now let's talk about some probability. Probability. Example 1. Okay, now imagine you have a dice. Okay, you roll the dice. There's 6 numbers. Okay, roll the dice. Six numbers on it, which are 1 through 6. Okay, we know that 1 through 6. So you roll the dice. What is the proper probability that you will roll 2 numbers greater than 5? Okay, so I'm gonna write that here. What is? Make sure you're writing this down. What is the probability of you rolling 2 numbers greater than 5? Okay, so this is what we're going to do here. We know it's 1 through 6. Okay, we have 2 dice. So, first one, it says, let's think of the numbers that are higher that we're looking for. It says, what is the probability of rolling 2 numbers? You roll each dice. Then on each dice, it's going to be the numbers greater than 5. So on a dice, the only numbers greater than 5, 5 and 6. So that's 2. Now, there's 6 sides on each dice. So the first one, you have a 2 out of 6 chance. And the second roll, you have a 2 out of 6 chance, okay? So in order to find the answer, you're going to write 2 out of 6 times 2 out of 6 and multiply. Multiply across. 2 times 2 is 4. Multiply the bottoms across. 6 times 6 is 36. This, sorry, upside down is hard writing upside down. Okay, now we're going to reduce this, and 4 goes into itself 1 time. 4 goes into 36 how many times? Say it again. Okay, good job. 9. Right? Okay. Now, let's do example number 2. Like I said, I'm moving fast because of my recording stuff, but you can always rewind this. Okay, the next example, we have Sour Patch Kids. We have 13 Sour Patch Kids. Okay, write this down. 13 Sour Patch Kids. That's my favorite number. 4 are yellow. 4 are yellow. 5 are blue. 3 are green, 1 is orange, okay? Now, say I select, you select, whoever selects 2 candies, okay? So I'm going to put I select 2 candies. And I do not, then you have to think about this, I do not replace them, okay? Question is, what is the probability, and I'm going to show this to you guys. Let me just write it down real quick. What is the probability that I select a yellow one and a green one?